Okay, the final inequality I'm going to show you, probably the most awkward one. I mean, here it is. And the reason is it's got an inequality here and an inequality here. Well, if you remember going back to the one that you might have looked at, this means numbers in between this one and this one, from smallest to biggest, but we haven't quite got there yet because we have to solve for C. Here it is, we've got to solve for C. So, normal rules, look at it. Here's a plus 3. How do we get rid of plus 3? We minus a 3, but this time we minus it from everywhere, alright? Okay, it's not just either side of an equal sign, it's got more sides to it in a sense, okay? We're taking away 3 from both sides, right? That means that has gone. I'm left with negative 2c still, right there in the middle. I've still got that sign, and now what's negative 5, negative 3? It's negative 8. Okay, what's negative 11, negative 3? Oh, don't forget this sign here. Okay, that one up there, right? That's negative 14. Okay, so remember, we're still going from smallest number to biggest number, alright? Negative 14 is small, negative 8. Now, what's going to happen here, if you remember from the previous video, I'm going to have to divide by negative 2. Hopefully on the test, maybe I'll change this, you'll have a positive number, alright? If you divide by 2, just go ahead and do it, everything's done nicely. But because I'm divided by negative 2, remember, these are going to have to change sign. So if I do that, I'm left with the C. But remember, that's going to have to change direction. Now remember, we're dividing by negative 2. Everything's been divided by negative 2. Just like here, everything I subtracted 3. So what do we have here? Right, negative 14 over negative 2 is 7. Negative 8 over negative 2 is 4. Now look, all of a sudden, we're not going from smallest to biggest. Alright? This here, that's the bigger number. It's like the wrong way around. Well, it's fine. Just do it. It's a little trick. Just think about it. Remember, you had to switch these directions because you divided by a negative. Well, look, honestly, it really is just this. Just flip everything round itself. Put the 4 here. C still in the middle. 7's here instead. So now we are going from smallest to biggest. But also, just switch the signs back. It's like just a mirror image. Just flip everything round. Right, the sign between the C and the 4 is without the equal sign. Remember, it's pointing to the 4. So point to the 4. This one here is pointing to the C. So point to the C. And there you go. That is the answer. Okay, between 4 and 7. So just remember that. Hopefully on the test you won't have a negative, so don't worry about that. But if you do, it's a little trick. It's like you've got to change and then change again. Kind of annoying, but there you go.